Hey guys, I'm back with a new Hot Wheels hauler that I got at Target in Westfield, Culver City. I went to the mall this Sunday and this Target, and there was a Best Buy in both of the stores. Both of those stores were built in 2008, because the whole mall was built in 2008, and it was built in 1974, and the Target and the Best Buy stores were added in 2008, because the whole mall was renovated in 2008. It's weird it has 3 floors and then 2 floors on one side and 3 floors on the other side, but yeah. Let's get to this hauler. It's 6.5 feet, 2 meters, and put a string on there just so I can pull it, because this is already opened, but I just put it back together. It's made by metal. There's the cars, there's the truck, the side, the other side. This is how long it is. This just came out in 2021, and yeah, and this set is about to be 1 year in my collection. Just 2 more days and it's 1 year. The back of it, you can see I have this car and this car here, and then this one here. And that's Scupa de Fuego, the red car, and that's Clear Speeder. And these are the cars I came with. And yeah, and then this side. This is the car that it came. This is a what car is this even? It does not say what car it is, so it's DTY12. It says right there DTY12, but it doesn't say the actual car name. So I have 2 of these, and then I don't have this one. This box is ripped because it looks like someone just grabbed it and ripped it, but these cars were in a piece of plastic right here, so the whole thing was in good condition when I found it. But yeah, so this, I think someone just opened it or carried it like this and it ripped. So let's go ahead and open this up and put a string in there, because this is already open. This is not my first time opening this, but here it goes. So this is the easiest way to open the set. If you guys just cut it like cut that in without opening it the right way, it's actually more harder. So you just have to pinch this like this, like that, and then open it. And here there's everything. I'm gonna try to do this as quickly as possible. Okay, so this is the whole set. I have this one, I have this one, I have this one. The box is right here. I have these 2. I have this one here. This one looks pretty similar to this one. And this is the book that it came. It's like the other side. And the truck is on this highway, freeway, I don't know what it is, but this is the instruction manual. See, just in case you don't know how it goes, like how to use it, how to play with it. This is what this is like. I think this one didn't come with one, but I can check in my next few videos. Okay, so you open it, you take these keys, you turn them like that. And the same connection as these keys that came in the previous set, except that they are a bit different. The color, this one's more black and this one's a bit more grayish. They're short. when I came to the shark. Okay, so there it goes. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in here. I'm gonna move this over here. I'm gonna close it up. And out it comes. Right here it is. This is the truck. It fits 22 cars in all of these compartments. The top, it fits 30, and including this whole thing. It has these tabs here, so you can store cars up here. And the only problem is that these compartments are not the same size. So if I put a bigger car on here, it won't fit, but it fits here. So I don't know why I think that's so. If you have smaller cars or bigger cars, they can fit in this one, and bigger cars can fit on the bigger compartments instead of the smaller compartments. Yeah. As I open it, there's this little blue plastic tab, and you push it. Goes like this. So I open it, and it's a blue tab. This is where it latches. This is where the key goes. This is like the inside of the box. And this is how you open the other side. This one's a bit more hard, so so that's how you close it, and this is how you open it. It's really hard to open this, so I had to put my phone down on the floor. Right, this thing is very long. I'm gonna open it up. This thing is huge. It's long. Go ahead and that's how long it is. The whole thing is as long as my bed. It's pretty long. I was expecting it to be like about here, but it's as long as a twin and full bed. This is a full. A twin would be smaller, like about here, but the length on the full and twin beds are exactly the same. The width is not. Here it is, and this is a button. How to cut that clip. So here I am with the cars, and it's right here. These are the cars. I can't find the name of this one, but the two other copies I put a piece of tape on here because I have all these cars fit in this truck here, except I got 4 more at the supermarket yesterday. I mean Tuesday or I think Monday, and they're gonna fit. I had to cut that other clip again. So the cars that I showed you from the supermarket are gonna have to go on top of the black trailer because everything here is organized. I organized it on Tuesday because I had plenty of time to do that on. But yeah, everything's organized. All the vehicles are back in their haulers. They're no longer in all over the garage floor. And this is right here. And here it goes on the other track. This time backwards. Oops, try again. Right here, it goes a bit faster. Now forward is actually. Other sharks, here it goes. into the ice cream elevator. It's time here for this car. Let's see if I can try to get it to the cheeseburger, because I can't. There you go. Right, I made it like this, so not the best performing car, and I still don't know the name of this. So if you guys know the name of this car, just let me know in the comments, because I don't know the name of this car. But alright, this is a decent car and the set. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back and close this up. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Turn on those notifications on so you will miss any of my Hot Wheels videos. And then add a playlist for all the Hot Wheels products I filmed. So I'll open these probably tomorrow because it's Friday. So, and this is the other copy. This video might be ready by tomorrow, early Friday, because this video is pretty long. It does take forever to upload. I have these two copies. I got these cars at the same Target. These right here. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Not this one. Not this one. Just these 5 cars. So that's gonna be it for this very long 12-minute video.